A noun is name of a thing. And there are 4 categories. Let's say them.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
All right, who thinks they can say them while I'm standing in front of it and you can't see it? Avery. Person, place, thing, or idea. Good job, Maddie. Good job, Caitlin.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
Oh, she's so sharp. She remembered. Ethan.
Person, place, or idea.
Oh, person, place, thing, or idea. He almost got it. David.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
Sit down. That's right. Say it again. David, say it again.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
Good. You can go eat a pretzel. Who else can say it? Who else can say it? Yes. Brooklyn.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
Oh, say it again.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
Good job. If you jump in front of me, I love you. Who else? Who else? Cammie.
Person, place,
Good job. Demi.
person, place, thing, or idea.
Oh, good job. All right, Sammy.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
All right, who else? Solly.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
Nice. One more person. One more person. Skylar.
Person, place, thing, or idea.
That's right. That's a noun. That's a
Now.
good job.